Today I'm doing a comparison between SAM Puttlab and Blast Motion Capture, who put their sensor on the butt end of the club. So this test today is going to be on tempo. So you can see on that last putt that with this TV screen over here on the right, that the tempo registered on Blast Motion was 2.1 to 1. The tempo on SAM Puttlab on the screen on the left, 2.2 to 1. So SAM actually goes to one more decimal point, so it's saying 2.25. So we'll just go with the one decimal point, so 2.1 to 1 to 2.2 to 1. Backstroke time on that last putt was 730 milliseconds on the Blast and 786 milliseconds on the SAM, and 350 milliseconds on the Blast for forward stroke time, and exactly the same 350 milliseconds on SAM for the forward stroke. So we'll try and do some putts and take some comparisons and see what we come up with. .1 to 1, I beg your pardon, 1.9 to 1 on Blast and 2.1 to 1 on SAM. .9 to 1 on Blast, 2.1 to 1 on SAM. .91 to 2.1. So SAM suggests that the ideal tempo, as measured, was captured in their data collection from PGA Tour pros, is 2.1 to 1. Blast Motion believe that the ideal tempo that Tour pros exhibit is around about 2.0 to 1. So the slight difference in what both companies are saying is the ideal tempo. .81 on Blast and 2.01 on SAM. Again 1.8, 2.2 on SAM. Which is Blast's ideal tempo. So you've got a green light up here in the tempo area on Blast, and SAM is at 2.1 to 1, which is what they would recommend as well. So slightly different numbers for each company, but pretty much when you on that particular putt that matched what SAM Puttlab like, and on that particular putt that matched what Blast like as well. Okay, so that one was 1.9 to 1, around about 2.0 to 1 for SAM, and 1.8 to 1 for Blast. So slightly different tempo measurements or readings that each company has, but that is mostly due to backstroke timing being slightly different with each company. So 610 milliseconds on the backstroke for Blast as measured by them. On that last one, 686 milliseconds on SAM, and basically we're seeing somewhere between 40 and 60 milliseconds difference on backstroke time, but we're seeing almost exactly the same timings for forward stroke on both. So that one was 340 milliseconds on Blast and 345 on SAM. So that's why there's a slight difference in the tempos from each product, is because of the backstroke timings are slightly different. It seems like SAM Puttlab measures takes a little bit longer on average. The measurement takes a little bit longer, somewhere between around 700 milliseconds for their backstroke, and Blast think that the average time for a backstroke is around 600 milliseconds. So therefore you get a slight change in tempo recommendations.